If you're curious about Prism Clips AI and wondering if it's the best AI software just released, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your digital marketing toolkit, this will give you a solid overview. And by the way, you can try Prism Clips AI completely free from the link in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Prism Clips AI is a brand new software that's making waves in the AI content creation space. One of the standout features of this tool is its ability to generate high-quality video clips at lightning speed. Whether you're creating content for social media, marketing, or even educational purposes, it streamlines the entire process. The AI analyzes your content and automatically creates shorter, engaging clips perfect for viral sharing. Another thing to note is the software's versatility. It's not just a one-trick pony. You can use Prism Clips AI across a variety of industries, including e-commerce, education, entertainment, and more. The tool is designed to save time, making it a great asset for businesses looking to scale their video marketing efforts without compromising quality. One of the most impressive features is its automated video optimization. Prism Clips AI analyzes audience engagement data to optimize the videos it creates. That means it automatically adjusts the pacing, visuals, and even audio to ensure it resonates with your audience. It's like having a personal video editor who understands exactly what your viewers want to see. When it comes to ease of use, Prism Clips AI doesn't disappoint. The interface is sleek and intuitive, designed to make video creation accessible even to beginners. You don't need to be a video expert to use this tool effectively. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other popular platforms, so you can share your creations instantly on social media or download them directly to your device. The AI is powered by cutting-edge machine learning, which means it improves over time. As you use it more, the software becomes better at understanding your preferences, your audience, and what works best for your content strategy. It's a great example of how AI can evolve and adapt to your needs. One thing that sets Prism Clips AI apart from competitors is its pricing model. While most AI video tools can be expensive, Prism Clips offers a free trial, allowing you to test it out before committing to a paid plan. This gives you the opportunity to see how it fits into your workflow without any upfront costs. But, while it's a powerful tool, it's not without its learning curve. There's a slight ramp up as you get used to the different features and customization options. However, the support team is excellent, with tutorials and helpful resources to guide you through the process. Finally, I want to mention that if you're already using video content for your business or personal brand, Prism Clips AI can seriously take your game to the next level. Whether you're looking to create short-form content, ads, or educational videos, this tool is designed to boost efficiency, save time, and increase engagement. And don't forget, you can try it for free right now by clicking the first link below. I've tested countless AI tools, and after using Prism Clips AI, I'm confident it's one of the most promising releases. If you're ready to explore more AI software options, check out the description for my recommended tools that you can also try for free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to Prism Clips AI in the description.